Hi, Gary Goldencastle Caravans. Today I'm going to show you around this 2024 Bailey Phoenix GT75 420. It's a super lightweight two-berth with end washroom, one owner from new, and it is in absolutely fantastic condition. It is as new, basically. I don't think the people who have owned it have used it much, if at all. It looks fantastic in the silver grey sides. It does come fitted with Power Touch Evolution manual engaged motor mover, latest generation, which is lovely. It's got no issues moving this model around. Also, just to let you know, and this is important, especially if you've got a lighter weight tow vehicle, unladen it's 1025 and the gross weight, the MTPLM, is just 1142 kilos. Two things. One is if you've got a smaller tow vehicle, you're not going to have an issue towing it. But also, if space is a premium at home, you're not going to have an issue with putting it on your driveway. I'll just point out something. Split entrance door. I really like those. Benefit of that is you can have half open, half closed, and if you've got a little dog, for example, or maybe a little grandchild with you, no issues with them falling out. Feature window at the front, two opening side windows, nice and bright interior, very modern colourways, practical and, dare I say it, very useful chest of drawers with storage it offers too. Kitchen area features fridge freezer on one side, cookie unit opposite. As I said, absolutely pristine. It doesn't look like it's been used at all. Grill and oven. Also, not forgetting then, this is the same height as that side, so it doubles up as not only somewhere to put your TV, but also kitchen preparation space. Very practical. Hot, cold running water. We've got the Truma heating system, works gas electric, also operates hot water system. Lots of storage going on, as you can see. And then we've got a daughter washroom across the rear, wardrobing on the left, loo with push button flush, contemporary wash basin and shower. Super compact, lightweight two-berth, one owner from new, little use if any at all. It's wonderful. There you go. It's Gary Goldencastle. If you're interested in this model or any others, please get in touch. We'd be delighted to answer any questions you've got. We do offer warranties, etc., finance, and I hope you like this video. Thank you.